Right now is the time of year, going towards the end of November, going into December, where I kind of push all my clients that started their divorce this year to get them wrapped up so we can kind of start fresh next year, at least from my business perspective and for the client's perspective as well. Most people we have finalized in a couple of days to a couple of weeks. There are some outliers. It's not, you don't have to do it that quickly. We are able to get it done that quickly. It's definitely not a requirement. But I know that most people, when they hire me, they're ready to go. They want to get things taken care of, and they don't want to drag this out and deal with this for a long period of time. But those that don't have an agreement in place, perhaps when they hire me, they just know they're amicable and they have to work things out. Maybe they need a little help from me to reach an agreement. They can take several months, which is totally fine. We just have to keep an eye on the courts to make sure they're not scheduling any hearings or threatening to dismiss the case for lack of it moving forward, which they can do. They normally will just send out some nasty grams. Just if you are taking your time with your divorce, just keep an eye out. Don't throw the mail into the trash or the junk. If it comes from the court, it's probably important. So what else do we have going on today? So that was the update. So yeah, if you are a client of mine, I will be pushing to try and get you finalized in the next couple of weeks, probably 2 to 3 weeks, because we know a week out from Christmas, and we're going to lose about 2 weeks towards the end, and then the first week of January. People are just kind of recovering from the holidays. So got about 2 weeks to get everything wrapped up, guys.